Okay, here's week 5 homework question 2 of 5. Basically, in this assignment, the previous one we had to make journal entries, adjusting journal entries. Here we're going to make adjusting journal entries and we're going to post them to the ledger. So here's your transaction list. We have to prepare adjusting entries for supplies, insurance, and depreciation. That's A, B, and C, respectively. And you can find those here, 1, 2, and 3. And I'll tell you here, it's all respective. So we have to take into account the actual balance when we were dealing with the ledger. So what's the current balance before we even do the transactions? So supplies used 10.4, supplies totaling 16,800 were purchased December 1st. So in this example, 16,800, before we even do a journal entry, well, we'd still do the journal entries, but when you post them here, make sure you actually have that beginning balance over here in supplies. The same thing with prepaid insurance. That should actually give it to you. So expired insurance, December 1st, the firm paid $45,600 for 6 months of insurance. So this is going to be your beginning balance. Depreciation expense for equipment. Let me see. Depreciation expense for equipment, we're not going to need the balance, the book value of the equipment. This is kind of a tricky one. You won't need the asset. You'll just need to deal with the expense account and the accumulated depreciation. That's the contra asset. So we're going to have a total of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you know what? They only need the initial beginning balance in 2 of them. So that's going to be given to you in the problem. So again, you can actually check your work over here. So as you put stuff in, check your work. And remember, you can always click on the link down here and it can give you the exact location and where in the reading you can refer to. So this talks about the beginning of the worksheet, trial balance columns, the adjustments. So read through this if you have any questions. Actually, in the textbook, this is a transparency page. So basically, that's the only thing it shows on the page. Then the next page would be this column. So it's kind of an all-in-one kind of thing. So that can be confusing over here, but it still has good information here. And here's the final results for the income statement and balance sheet. So hope this serves you guys well, and I'll continue to make these videos. Take care.